Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to record your screen in your iPhone. So at first we need to go to our control panel. To do so, scroll from the top right corner to the bottom. This is our control panel, and here we have as you can see, no button for screen recording. To add so, we have to hold our finger on the background and here tap add a control. But we have to of course tap that, not miss it. Here add a control. Here we have to now search for screen recording. It's here. If you tap that, it will be automatically added here. Now we can click screen recording, and now our screen will be recorded. As you can see here, here we do have the indicator of the screen recording. If we tap that, our screen recording will be saved to photos. Apart from that, we can hold our finger here on this icon, and here we can enable our microphone or disable our microphone. And that's how it works. Goodbye!